All right, so page 114, number 61 from last night, or yesterday's assignment. Y equals x plus sine x, and something about x being between 0 and 2 pi. So that's one trip around the unit circle. We'll see why they put that on there in a minute. Maybe the directions would be helpful. Determine points, if any, at which the graph of the function has a horizontal tangent line. Horizontal tangent line. All right, we talked about this a little bit yesterday. So a tangent line means derivative. Right? That's how we find the slope of a tangent line. But horizontal, that's the horizontal line. That slope equals 0. But slope and derivative mean the same thing. So this is a fancy way of saying find the spot where f prime, or the derivative, equals 0. That's going to become real important later. That's why they're trying to train you to look for where the derivative is 0, because that means more later on. Right now we're just worried about taking derivatives, setting them equal to 0. We'll use it more later. All right, so y prime, so I can write it y prime instead of f prime. Either way is okay. The derivative of x is 1. Right, power rule. Bring the 1 down, decrease the power by 1. If you want to show that, that's a little overkill, but it's okay. And the derivative of sine is cosine. So y prime is 1 plus cosine x. And we want to know where that is equal to 0. So cosine of x equals -1. Oh, that's a unit circle problem now. Let's see. Cosine is the x-coordinate. So the x-coordinate's -1 over here. So that would be at x equals pi. It would be a spot that makes the cosine -1. That makes the derivative 0, which means it has a horizontal tangent line. And now back to why they restricted us from 0 to 2 pi, because you might remember that there's a million ways to get there. There's one way to get there. We could go -pi, but that's not, we're allowed to do that. We could go all the way around once and then around again. That'd be 3 pi. But again, that's out of our, so we don't want those other ones. We just want the one between 0 and 2 pi. So that's a good question. Covered the power rule, covered trig, covered horizontal tangent line. Other questions? No? Because it was easy, or because you didn't do it? What's the... Uh-oh. Blank stares. I worry that means we didn't try it. All right, we'll stop there then and go to the lesson.